Hello, I'm back. So it's been a couple of years since I posted something in my channel. So I'm back for some reason. What happened 2 years ago? It was a seasonal hobby, I would call, to make YouTube videos. So I posted some videos. I made some astro shoots and then I posted those things. Of course, no one watched. Yeah, there were like few tens, maybe 100 view on my YouTube videos. Out of which, like 50 of them are just me and my friends. Um, so anyway, what happened after that? I was lazy. I didn't post any videos. I didn't make any progress. But life happened. A lot of things changed in my life. So why am I posting now? Well, a lot of things happened, as I said, and I got a bit disappointed. That was this thought-provoking question that I had, like, would a 10-year-old myself or 10-year-old me would be proud of myself, or would the 10-year-old me be very happy and proud of how I turned out to be? This question was going in my head, and I'm pretty sure the 10-year-old me would be happy of how I turned out to be, in the context that, I have a nice job, I have a roof to live under, I have food, I'm exploring, living in Europe, been to several countries, taking good amount of food in the context, like I'm eating whatever I would like to eat. I'm just going for walks, bicycle rides, just enjoying my life. But the 10-year-old me would never be proud of myself. Why? Because what was I dreaming about? A 10-year-old me wanted to be astronaut. I wanted to be a Power Ranger, Spider Man, all these things. But serious things are like I wanted to be an astronaut. I wanted to be a scientist. I wanted to pursue physics. I wanted to pursue astrophysics, actually. Um, but what am I doing? Nothing. Yeah, I'm working in a company. I'm making some small contributions to my company. But does it make any big difference to this planet? No, it doesn't make any difference to this planet. I am not going to leave this planet a better place than it started. So I'm very disappointed. So I'm pretty sure the 10-year-old me would be highly disappointed in how I turned out to be. And at some point, I kind of gave up. I just, accepted the reality. I'm pretty sure many of you would be in the same position. It's like you wanted to be something and you have that thing inside you, and the life molded you in a different way. And now you're doing something different. It is not wrong, because yes, you made those decisions because you have to make those decisions to survive, so that's fine. But there is this guilt in me. I always thought I'm smart. Maybe it sounds like a narcissist, or but uh, I'm not talking in that context, but I'm talking that I always thought, okay, I will make a breakthrough in science. I'll pursue theoretical physics, and I'll be researching a lot. I will be exploring the mysteries of universe. I was thinking a lot like this because I thought, okay, I'm smart and I can do it, and I can do it. I'm not saying I'm not smart anymore, but I'm just saying I'm not I'm not smart. Yeah, okay, actually, yes, I'm not smart. I'm stupid. I'm lazy. So at some point, I kind of gave up. Until last month, I was in Washington. So I had a chance to visit Air and Space Museums, Smithsonian's, and that kind of changed my life. Those guys working there, they're amazing. There were like a couple of nice ladies sitting there explaining things about meteorite, and they even had like small parts just on the table. They let me touch those meteors. So they said like, hey, this is from this has more iron content, so that's why it's magnetic. I just loved their job. They were interacting. And there was another guy who was exploring, or he was just showing with a Lego set about how people or the scientists actually discover exoplanets, and the size of the exoplanets, or even how closer or further it is from its star. So he was showing things, how they do it based on the light sensors. It was so fascinating. I was a little bit jealous of those people. The jobs that they had, they are inspiring people. So I would have been satisfied if I am working in something like that. If I will be inspiring, I will be like teaching kids or teaching people. But yeah, one thing, I hate teachers, but I love to teach, but I just hate teachers. Probably it's my school days trauma. Yeah, but apart from that, I don't want to pursue teaching as my career. It doesn't pay enough, being honest. So I don't want to teach, like, as a full-time profession. So I love my full-time job. So what am I doing? And that is when I thought, okay, let me just go and explore and just learn whatever it's available. Probably I will not learn, you know, inner mysteries of a universe, but I'll just learn the basics. I want to keep feeding my brains with something that it can that it can just revolve around. I don't want my brain to be blank and empty when I go to my deathbed. I want it to have something, so I'm just gonna learn something over time. And I thought, okay, what's better than just making a video so it will keep me accountable? And also, it will be stored as memory. I'm pretty sure no one will be watching this video. There are plenty of nice videos in YouTube. So, what's the point of watching my video? But what am I going to do is I'm going to capture these videos, I'm going to put it in YouTube. It will save my storage in my phone or in my laptop or hard drives, also in my Google Drive. So I can just post it on YouTube. If you are gonna watch, yeah, please watch. But I have in this video, I have no information to deliver. But it will be helpful for me when I will be 60. Probably, I hope I'll be retired by then, by the 60, and I'll die by 65. So those 5 years, I'll be revisiting these videos. I'll be enjoying the pathway that I'm gonna take on learning the mysteries of the universe. So when I say this, it doesn't mean that this channel or what I'm gonna do is all about astrophysics. It's just random. It's going to be physics, sometimes history, but mostly science and physics or something or whatever that's gonna touch the curiosity that's living in me. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thank you very much, guys. Oh, by the way, sorry. Yeah, main thing, my next video, I want to do something. So I thought, like, oh, I got this souvenir from the Smithsonian Art and Space Museum, but of course this same thing you can buy it online anywhere. But this was like $10. It's the first aircraft, like a replica model of the first aircraft by Wright brothers. It's a very delicate sheet metal that I have to carefully take out the pieces and put it together. They said it's something that is without glue, so I assumed it will be like a lot of bending and sticking it in. So I'm gonna do this thing. If possible, I'll be recording that. I will be posting it, but if not, I'll be posting this picture. Anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do in my next video. So feel free to watch and suggest me some topics that I can learn. Thank you. Bye bye.